In this video, we will learn how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. So let's start. To open your Google Chrome, and here in bottom side you can see the customize Chrome option. Just click on the customize Chrome, and here the selected is a light mode, okay, and the selected color is showing the blue. When you click on the dark mode, you can see the blue color is showing, but here we want the black, so dark mode in black color. So I'm going to select the one theme, the change theme. I click on the change theme, then drag here below. You can see the Chrome Web Store. Just click on the Chrome Web Store, and here in theme tab you can see the dark and black theme. So select your theme those you want. So I select here the one theme. So I select this, okay, and add to Chrome. So it's done, the theme installed in Chrome. Now you can see the dark mode in Google Chrome. So this is a way you can add extension with the dark mode. It will active as a dark mode in Google Chrome. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.